Drop the boy, I'm a joker.
I am not afraid to start over. Literally not afraid to start over. Because one thing I refuse to do is to be unhappy just to please people or just to say that I am in a long-term relationship. Oh, I've been in a relationship for 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 10 years, 15 years, even 20 years. Baby girl, I am not staying happy. All those years are wasted, you know.
Baby, I am married, they have to take over. Drop the boy, if him not cuddle you when you make him know say election run and him lose the poll, girl.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV, and one man of peace. I may always accept the violence of the streets. Living love, unity and strength, life are the greatest gift. Cherish each and every moment. Anyway, checking in from right now, and I wish you all nothing but blessings, guidance and protection, happiness upon you and your loved ones. You see me?
Drop the boy, if him not scoring a you. Make him know you find a top striker where you have the touch control, girl.
Yes, in this episode I have a nice empress. I talk about relationship, you know, she's not afraid to start over. See, so I'm going to play the video and make only listen and can let me know if you agree with her, because yeah, what she's saying is, you know what I mean, it's true. She have a point in some part. Some relationship is worth fighting for, you know what I mean, and some just toxic where you know so you cannot stay in it. It's not for your, good for your health or your well-being, so you better just walk away. You see it? And when she says she's not afraid to start over, that doesn't mean that you forgot to start over to our next man as you left your next man. So I say sometimes you can leave, come out of a relationship and build. Take time to heal, you know. So yeah man, I'm not gonna hear what she says still, and let me know what you think, feedback in the comment section. See? Yeah man.
The boy a joker, little waste man, big time lofter. If I me like him, have a preps like you, like crab I woulda live in a your hole.
But please remember to like and share the content, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And the video where you see a chip in election one is a song I released last year, a video. That was one of my top song views song on YouTube. You know, but even though it didn't get a lot of views, that was one of my top songs stated by YouTube, you know. Yeah, so we'll do some promotion upon it this year, you see me? Election run, drop the boy. Yeah man. Yes, and I also want to take the time out to send condolence and a rest in peace to Rounds, the producer, who produced this track, recently passed away through the Big C, you know. Yeah man, a boy that when him cancer, you see it?
I woulda woke you up on the ground bed on the sofa. Woke you when you're drunk, when you're sober. Your whole 9 yard me come fi take over. A queen like you deserve a real soldier.
I am not afraid to start over. Literally not afraid to start over. Because one thing I refuse to do is to be unhappy just to please people or just to say that I am in a long-term relationship. Oh, I've been in a relationship for 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 10 years, 15 years, even 20 years. Baby girl, I am not staying happy. All those years are wasted, you know. All those years are wasted. What are you actually accomplishing by holding on to those relationships?
As I stated in the beginning of this vlog, you know, some relationship is worth fighting for. Save your marriage, save your relationship, or save your family, you know, the kids them. And I mean, and again, if the relationship toxic or it not work, move on. We saw a relationship that end up in a bad way, you know, people get unalive and them think the woman are unalive them man are unalive them woman. You see what I'm saying? So if you know say it not work, don't stay in it. But if you know say you can fix things, try fix things, man and woman. You see what I'm saying? Yeah.
Every night you go to your bed, you're miserable, you're depressed, you're suicidal, you're angry, you're taking it out on your kids them, your family members, your friend, you're just a mess. All because of this relationship that you're holding on to.
I totally agree with her. Everything what she does say is all facts. You know, me know person real family and family as a matter of fact who are affected. Head lick, them cheap lick through relationship, through man, you know. Yeah. I mean know people where woman mad out. You see me, I say, all because I'm hang on. And it never worth it for hang on, you see me? But love, so them say love is blind.
What are you actually holding on to? What are you actually waiting for? HIV? Herpes? Syphilis? Gonorrhea? Crab lows? What are you actually waiting on? The fact that some of you can't even use soap to have shower because you think that you're allergic to soap. When it's your man dick you're allergic to because you're claiming, oh, my pH balance is upset if I use... No, your pH balance is not upset because you're using soap. It's because Mr. is dicking his dick everywhere and then coming to dick it in you. Simple fact.
I don't know, she talk of a personal experience, but we shall say true. You have some man go out there and wild and take no precautions, use no rubber, and I come home and I sleep with them wife or them girlfriend or them baby mother unprotected, same way to come get the woman them infection, you know? Yeah, them things are wrong. When you're there road and about to make sure say you're about safe. You see it? And I always remember say woman in your yard where you sleep with, where you live with your family, them, your youth them, and them come first. You can't run rest of road and I bring it at home. Them things that are right, you see me?
So for that very reason, I am not afraid to start over. Because I will not take no form of abuse, no form of abuse from the man. I'd rather be alone. Solitude is so good. I mean, I do get lonely, but I'd rather my peace than her peace.
Yes, mama, I like that line. I love how you end the reasoning. She like her peace over her peace. You see me I say? Me she say basically enough women around rest them know them man while I road and still have unprotected. You know what I mean? SEX, you know what I mean? With the man. And then the man bring things come home, you know? Whenever I have syphilis, herpes, all sort of things. You know what I mean? HIV too, you never know. You see, but we shall say, you know, she rather be alone than be unhappy. And that is true, you know what I mean? Enough women are afraid and scared to be alone. They feel like, say, if them left the man at the end of the world for them. There's other men out there, and sometimes you don't have to leave a man and rush to another man neither. If you're in a relationship, give yourself a break a year till when you feel contented again. You see me? And then you move on till you find the right person. And enough women come out of a relationship and it affects them. Them take it up on other men. Them not trust other men, no man at all. And sometimes the right man, they meet the right man, you know, but because they're insecure and hurt and, you know, the good man pass on. You see me pass by, you see me? Yeah, man, that's why I say, remember song where I say, you have a good man, now you lose him. You always abuse and accuse him. Never want him while you choose him. Girl, you are so confusing. You see me I say? Yeah, man, but let me know what y'all think, my viewers and subscribers, my lion and my lioness. For a solid reasoning from the Empress still, you see me? But me I say the relationship now work, just move on, walk away, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, that's the thing, man. You see me I say no violence against women, kids, animals. That's what I say, and men too. No violence against men, because you have some women really violent against men, you know. That's what I say, take disadvantage, that's it. Yeah, man, you know, me are the man of peace. I will say love and blessings, guidance and protection. That's it. And please look out for my, check out my EP, Welcome to Kingston. I'm going to leave the link for the song, Drop the Boy Election Run. Pin in the comment section, saying you can click it and hit some support and sing. So I say, big up on yourself. Have a blessed Thursday, Friday, you know? Yeah, man, right now we're up on the journey down to Kenya, yeah, is it? Yes.
Drop the boy, I'm a joker. Baby, I am married, they have to take over. Drop the boy, if him not cuddle you when you make him know say election run and him lose the poll.